In today's video, I'm going to give a bit of an update of how my travels are going, what's coming up in the future, and a couple of unexpected things that have happened to my van. Alright guys, so as you probably know, I've been traveling now for a couple of weeks, and on my adventures I took my beautiful 2004 Dodge Grand Caravan, named Jennifer. So far my journey's been pretty good. There has been a few unexpected things that have happened. The van needed a battery right off the bat. I came back from my homeless challenge and it was pronounced dead on sight. The other new thing is the van has a check engine light on. It's nothing that's affected any kind of running condition on the van, so I'm not worried about it. But with all of the bad does come some good. I had a really fun time at the SPCA, giving a lot away to all of the people that work there. Nice, that's a pretty good.
Oh really?
If you like what's in there. If you guys are into challenging yourself, to growing, and to becoming the best version of yourself, this is the channel to follow. As I grow, these videos get better and the insights get better for you guys, so essentially you can take action from these videos and not just watch them. I do have a ton of cool videos planned for the island before I leave, one of which will be going back to the people that helped me and giving back to them, and also giving away some cool stuff to some homeless people. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for all of that. I really want to inspire you guys to do good and to go out and do things like I do, because it brings a lot of joy to myself. It helps build my confidence, and I'm growing bit by bit, day by day, the more videos that I put up. And my only hope can be is that that will be true for you guys as well. So if you enjoy the videos that I put up so far, be sure to subscribe. I have a bunch of people staring at me in this parking lot, thinking I'm some kind of weirdo with my camera in my van. So do me a favor, like the video, I really appreciate it. And on that note, I will see you guys on the next video.